Hi there, and welcome back to another episode of the Bright Ideas Daily Nugget. I am Trent Dyrsmid, and this is my daily video series where I answer your questions about e-commerce, as well as to give you guys a look over my shoulder as my team and I grow our business towards our goal of $10 million. So in today's video, I want to talk about this: how to spend more time working on your business as opposed to in your business. This has been absolutely key to the success that I have experienced in my business, and honestly, to the success of all of the super smart entrepreneurs that I have interviewed on my podcast. If you're going to grow an organization beyond, I don't know, maybe $1 million a year, if you don't figure this out, you will become the bottleneck of your business. It is simply impossible for one person to do it all. So the keys to becoming an entrepreneur, here we go, that works on your business is, first of all, to have systems. So early on, right from day one, when it came to product sourcing, the reason we had so much success so quickly is I was extremely focused on, and I just did it in Google Docs. It's more refined than that now. But I would have all the instructions and screenshots with red arrows and everything I needed for every step of sourcing products, so that I didn't have to do any of it. So that I could have virtual assistants for $2 or $3 an hour do all of that grunt work that was necessary for me to be able to send 300 emails a week. And that is an example of taking the time to work on your business instead of in it. The next thing that you need to do is hire VAs, virtual assistants, and then as soon as cash flow allows, I got myself an office and I started hiring US employees. This is massively valuable. If you are working in your house, you're not really going to be able to hire US staff because it'd be kind of creepy for them to come and work in your house. Most people don't really want to do that. Now, do you need to do this right away? No. We actually were here for a couple of months until the semi trucks backing up into our driveway and filling our garage with pallets became too great. And then we very quickly got an office and immediately started to hire staff. So all of this may or may not seem overwhelming to you depending upon the place that you're in your business right now. What I'd like to let you know today is all of my systems are available for sale for this week only. They're called WEBS. It stands for the Wholesale E-commerce Business System. And if you're coming from training from the wholesale formula or somebody else's training is excellent because it teaches you how to do something. But in order to massively scale your business, you need to have systems that allow you to make use of the labor of virtual assistants and staff. And that is exactly what WEBS is. It is literally a copy of the 60 plus standard operating procedures that we built over the last 2 years to run our multi-million-dollar e-commerce business. So if you'd like to learn more about that, maybe it's the right time for you, maybe it's not. But if you want to learn more, go to brightideas.co/webs. If you'd like to submit a question for me to answer in a future video, go to brightideas.co/asktrent. And if you want to become a subscriber so that you can receive email notifications of future videos and podcasts that I produce, just go to brightideas.co and become a subscriber. Thanks very much for tuning in. Take care. Bye-bye.